My name is Jonathan Newth. I'm founder and CEO of Focal Point VR. We build live stream immersive video solutions designed to allow people to remotely teleport to music and sports events. So imagine you can't get to a football match, you put a VR headset on and you're magically transported there. Our goal is to deliver a remote presence experience which is so good that you genuinely believe that you're at the event, you take the headset off, you're surprised that you're somewhere else. In the advent of VR headsets really didn't have displays which were sufficiently good to deliver that great experience. However, displays have improved in resolution dramatically over the last 7 or 8 years, and a headset like the Apple Vision Pro can now deliver a truly astonishingly clear visual experience. In order to match the display resolution that next generation VR headsets have, we need very high resolution cameras capturing and streaming live content from live events. The camera system behind me uses 2 8K cameras and its big brother has 4 8K cameras, generating a total of 16K of source video. We have a solution to deliver this over existing OTT networks using proprietary algorithms we've developed which run on our vision processor. You can see this running on the PC behind me. This allows us to take the 16K source video and optimize it down by a factor of 4 into an 8K envelope, which can be streamed using standard OTT broadcast over normal CDNs to consumers with VR headsets. However, there's a problem on site getting 4 8K videos from potentially multiple rigs at events to our streaming software in the control area or OP. This is where our partnership with Bluebell provides a solution using their quad 12G to fiber conversion. We're able to take 4 8K cameras and send the signals over a single fiber cable to our vision processor in the control area, where we then optimize the signals and produce a single compressed 8K image which we can stream to VR headsets at home.